ngokwanira chirangi ekyo boigo chire chichi brand ao ekyo chire chingia kirage chirangi chiga niko chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomenteranibwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriye chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga niko chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani bwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyoerangane duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Mugeso myo mwanje omorigiri Getembe TV bwe Jumatano ye kitariki Isano mutinyo gatatu mwaka bw'ikiri bubere 2025 na gosogeria ndonse asore na no kwegena kwane buno mugasogo no motororore ande onsi ase otobwatete koro Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira yobonge njengatire Nyaboga wisoni makorikora sensemere imanyerere karansoike ngoma nyama ya koro Chinsinya imiyense ya Kenya na isko yense. Togo cha karimori okani gori tukori arero abakeresa bakatoliki korwa ensengima basangerekana ase chikanisa obunenchira ya moyo gochengera ritukori ribu gose ash Wednesday umwancho moriga gochengera ritukori ribu neke manyererio kyogo chaka amatuke 40 yokwengata gochasa abakristo abo abakatoliki asabona baboriwe ko baba kongo aso kwengata na boigo gokonga kemasa babunenchira ya moyo okinia okwegena kwabo gokwana na Getembe TV ningo musasiro tuwe parisheri ya Rangenyo Fata Banadi Nyangeri abori abantu bonse nabo y'abakristo be Katoliki gosabira ensi ya Kenya bunenchira ya moyo kwenekya omorembe nabo igo okongusana nago koro okongusana okokogendrete kweneki wa ase eserekari
nche aserietani wonkoro ko Father Bernard Ogeto Nyangeri oyo muwa basasroti be diocese ya Catholic ya Kisii Tenerete parishi ya Rangenyo. Leo nilitukulikoro kwa Jumatano yeribu. Na Jumatano yeribu ase omugano bw'abo Kristo nyakigima mono ase kanisa Katoliki nelituko ekero toguchaka orogendo romatuko emerongene. Asa matuka emerongene iyo kanisa gose ekanisa gose kanisa sensengima egotebia abana baye buna intwe ense etari yaitu ntugwendete kobororo buna abantu babwato bwamate na Nyasaye oli otutungire agatubekoro na nda guturangiri kwa abanyamwando amo no mwana wa Yesu Kristo wetera sukwigena buna bakristo engaki yo kwengata okwe yanya kubote bokwelina ogwezisura kobeka kiyanga kyekigonya na kweya kalibu unekamanyiri yokolera na abanda amangi rero nogosoma gutanga nikorwa se Joeli egeseri ya kabere evasi ya 12 gweka 13 ngoso butolenga Joeli yagotebanga rangeri umusangirerekano rangeri abagaka rangeri abana nonye nabakogonka nakiyako rero ise kwa ndasi kire kanisa nonye no muntu monene nonye no mwana nonye no yakogonka igakulibu nkitokunyuri wetera so wakulibu itangani ekere ekemanyiri kimusaraba gakora ise wasobosi bwaitu etokunyuri nga intumwanya abantu ntoliga igase myaka yonsipi we only live in time nali gusaba abakristo bonsi bali tugusanga aswe amatuka y'emerongene yo gusaba egentege tangani nali ko babolya nkelinga tobwe kwinyora bune ensi yaitu ya Kenya boniga ocyakire oyoro umutwe bwense okoranga batutukanira ikinkeragete naso gututukana uko Nyasaye kibago kiye kanisa tigatoba sabero mu ikomu yo Nyasaye obwe gwikaransa sebale obatawale
Mwancho morigereria intubu na Getembe TV na Getembe FM togote abakristo abakaturiki nsengima anana mono abagusibu na Happy Land Season togoskabosyo unenchera ya moyo gokinya na boye gotinya obwa matene Chinsa chesko mambia rera nigo muraibwensi ya Kenya moske Daktari William Samoei Ruto arigania abambassador kro Chinsa chesko anana mono enseri ya Cuba ensi ya Angola ensi ya Vietnam na boye go enseri ya Korea ase nyomba yobomenya ose ase nyomba yobora ya State House umocho Nairobi chinga kechecho nigo aba ambassador abo baina na masakarabyo mirimo gochase umurai Wednesday
has multiple Cuban national.
Habari asubuhi, Your Excellency. I have the immense privilege and the great honor to present Your Excellency the letter of credence from which His Excellency Miguel Díaz-Canel, President of the Republic of Cuba, appoints me as the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Cuba to the Republic of Kenya.
Your Excellency, President William Samuel Ruto, good morning. Excellency, first of all, allow me to convey the best compliments of His Excellency João Manuel Gonçalves Lourenço, President of the Republic of Angola, and to Your Excellency convey equally a word of affection, brotherhood, and friendship to all Kenyan people. Excellency, based on the regional and their international importance,
and leadership in roles in Ministry of Foreign Affairs. He served.
Your Excellency, Habari Yako, please allow me to convey compliments of Acting President Choi Sang-mok and the people of the Republic of Korea to you and the people of the Republic of Kenya. It is truly a privilege to be assigned to Kenya, a country of immense beauty and attractions.
The Republic of Uganda and the Federal Republic of Somalia and representative of Vietnam to
Your Excellency, respected President, my great honor to be here today to present Your Excellency the credential letter from my President, His Excellency Liu Kung, appointed me as the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam to the Republic of Kenya. First of all, allow me to take this opportunity to convey to Your Excellency the cordial greetings from my President and economic development for the
Na togo skavosioni gemambiri tukuriarero gosiri tukuriarero muwaziri olepa and social protection omoske Alfred Mutua aikira na bosi bunge ya Senate unenchire ya moyo kwiranira amaborio alse ebunge yo okone kerekyo ni gateba ni gamuske Mutua ateba ni garache okore miremo asobwange na baseneta na bajumbe unenchire ya mo osekwane kyabuna ngokinyare alse esekte yo chinga kichicho ni gomoske Mutua aerera igati mirobiri yabegete buna kwane kya esekte Kana
na waheshimiwa wa Senate na pia wa National Assembly ndio tuweze kushirikiana. Wakati naja mahali na waeleza, mnapanga watu wenyu, pengine hata mnawasaidia na nauli kidogo, tunaenda mahali ambapo ni karibu. Nikienda county fulani moja, nisiende tu mahali pamoja, niende recruitment mahali pawili ama patatu hivi. Na kuna mpango ambao naangalia ambapo nitaweza kuwauliza nyinyi wenyewe mkiwa kule kijijini muweze kuwatambua wale ambao wamehitimu. Ndio tuanzie hapo. Isikuwe ni kazi ya sisi kutoka kuja hapo. Nyinyi waheshimiwa ambao mmepigiwa kura na wananchi mnawakilisha muweze kusaidia. Tumepanga mikakati ya kuwa na hazina ya fedha ambayo itaondoa changamoto nyingi, lakini hivi sasa lazima hiyo hazina ya fedha iwe imeorodheshwa kwenye sheria. Kwa hivyo tuko na bill ya labor migration bill ambayo inaendelea tayari niliweka sahihi juzi, ndio iweze kuletwa kwa bunge, iweze kuchangia, ndio hiyo iwe katika hali ya sheria. Kwa hivyo tunatarajia kwamba itakuja mpaka hapa na itaweza kusonga nayo. The issue of Europe and Canada and jobs is the fact that jobs are people taken to jobs according to available positions, the demands that are given. The difference is this: if you are going to work in Saudi Arabia, you are going to work in Qatar, you are going to work in these countries, the amount of money you need to pay your agency here is little, because a lot of the monies are given over there for your ticket and others. Even though they're not given in the UAE, it's low cost, it's just here. And so we need to bridge between our rights and our information and our ability to speak our voices with how to do it. The issue is not what to do, but it's how you're doing it. When you go to a foreign country that may not have the democratic rights like we do in our country, you need to understand how to navigate the aspects of those countries. Even countries with democratic rights, everybody frowns upon a foreigner coming to shout in their country.
Na tutigarete ase ensemeye bunge ni gobono mu bunge bwe bunge ya West Mugira omujumbe bwe bunge ya West Mugirango omoske Steven Mogaka nera borire serikali kwerera igatimero bereri yabekire bose bwembura enyinge anena mono gochase county kiriko sasa abantu bari bamenyete angene gesinga kya Lake Victoria satebire bono abantu abo nigo bagoche bakwa no muchando monge bwembura enyinge nabo igo etoigo ase bagusire tugo na gwikira amagima y'abantu ase county icho akonyara ko bakagusira.
Request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Regional Development regarding the state of preparedness of our country for the cyclical wet season in the Lake Victoria rain belt and particularly the Gusii Highlands. Honorable Speaker, the wet season, which ordinarily commences around the month of March, which we are in, is characterized by very heavy rain, lightning, flooding, hailstones, and very destructive storm water. Residents of the hilly Lake Victoria rain belt, including those in West Mugirango and Gusii land, suffer immense loss of property, lives, and livelihoods during this rainy season. Crops, Mr. Speaker, get wiped away. Despite the budget allocations for emergency and humanitarian responses, there has not been any significant permanent intervention for preventing and mitigating the impact of these cyclical and recurrent disasters. This has affected the economic growth of my constituency, the Gusii region and the Lake Victoria rain belt, making the cost of living extremely high and occasionally subjecting some homes to starvation. Mr. Speaker, it is against this background that I request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Regional Development on the following. Measures the government has put in place to ensure timely and effective information on hazardous weather so that the residents of West Mogrango and other affected areas within the hilly Lake Victoria rain belt become warned in good time.
Na umuriki w'ekiombe ky'abanyagitari kiri ya Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Union KMPDU David Atera na ori w'ekiombe kiri kya Kenya Union of Civil Servants Tom Odege nigo bamukire serikali anene mono umurobirosha asabayeire serikali kigwikibere go kigwikirania amonchorere aso umurobirosha onyetaribo nigo baje kona kebuna abanyagitari bonsi ensengema ngogenda bare umugiro go cyakira kitariki 13 cy'umutenyo yoiga.
There can be no power greater anywhere beneath the sun. Yet whose force on earth is weaker than the feeble strength of one. But the union makes us strong.
The Union of Kenya Civil Servants and Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union have today, in a singular voice, give the government 2 weeks to resolve any challenges that are there with the comprehensive medical scheme of the civil servants. Within 2 weeks. Failure to which we are going to begin a series of demonstrations from 18th of this month. And after that, we are going to issue a joint strike notice that will see to it that the civil servants from the ministries, from the counties, and in the entire country go on strike to demand that their money that are being deducted as a statutory deduction in Social Health Authority, their money that they forfeited in medical allowance, actually give value to them.
Whatever we have currently is not serving the Republic, is not having any interest of Kenya at heart. Because as we are talking today, we have a number of civil servants who are stuck in the hospital, cannot be discharged because of the payment of hospital bill. We need to audit the whole fund. We know what our money has done so far. We need to know the money we are collecting is going where. If Auditor General herself has questioned this, can we continue pumping money to a facility which is bottomless?
Mwanche murige nigabono ikamati bunge ya Senate ya mwegereire mwedita general monene musubati Dr. Nancy Gathungu aniga gocha ekera report kire bosibwe bunge ekikirige tigo kigokeneria musubati Nancy ama emirimo yaye gose amatuko yemirimo aseboigo Nancy akire mutu na kwegerera na aseboiga mochire omurobirosha na gotebona kibesa kirena nirigo cya somurobirosha nigo chikirani.
There is a deliberate war against institutions of transparency in this country, and we as a representative of the people have a responsibility to protect these institutions, including your office. And we want to encourage you that we who are believers in transparency and proper utilization of the funds of this country, we are going to stand with you. Let nobody threaten with whatever it is we can hear people saying in the corridors there. We must restore faith in your office, but we must also restore faith in Parliament.
Is the time for Parliament now to relook at how they are holding the hearings and the conclusions they need to make, especially now when we have this pressure to finalize not just the auditing and the reporting, but also the committee hearings?
Is this social health insurance system curable? Are the mistakes and the breaches of the law you have found so grave that we should make a pronouncement today that we are not going to use this system going forward?
Is that not breach of law? Our heads not supposed to roll. So my question is, of course your report feeds
Gati y'abajumbe korwase kesa kukyo mukamba basokire na kumumocha omokonyo mukorobo muraibensi ya Kenya omoskeri gatigashagwa asichingwana cya cyogoteba munanigara chikone kya ngoso yare Kalonzo amana bakamba bonsi aseke amakeri kya gema ikikero sina abayikoyo aba embu na boigo abantu batarakaniti asebona batebire barabote bari go chigoso aseke amekyo na nigo bare ase serikali ya Kenya kwanza gose serikali ya product based.
Acha kudanganya Kalonzo. Anakuja kundanganya mtoto wenu my friend. Na hii mtoto yenu amendanganywa ya kutosha. Amendanganywa kutoka mwanzo na hata saa hii. Ati Wamunyoro ambaye amefukuzwa serikali ndiye anamwambia kuja tuunde serikali. Aha. 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 Wakamba si wajinga. Mtu amekuwa kwa serikali miaka miwili. Nataka atuonyeshe kitu moja ama siku moja ambayo amesimama mbele ya raia aseme nimekuja Machakos kuleta barabara, aseme nimekuja Machakos kuleta maji, aseme Machakos kuleta hospitali. Miaka miwili alikuwa comfortable na ni jirani, alikuwa jirani yangu hapo kale. Mimi ndio chama ni waga nyunga 10. Sasa hii mtu namjua pande hii na pande hii. Mtu the greatest tribalist, mtu wa ukabila ni huyo. Na huyo mtu mzima uchunga, my friend, atachukua bibi yako. Kwa sababu ni first class. Mdomo tu ndiye anatumia. Tuseme ukweli, my friends. Na mimi nasema hivi kwa sababu namjua right left center.
Wakamba, Wakamba, niwaambie ukweli, sisi peke yetu ndio tuko nje ya serikali. Imagine. Na hii serikali ni broad based. Wajaluo wako, Wakikuyu wako, Wakisii wako, Waluya wako, Wakalenjin wako, kila mtu yote yuko isipokuwa Mkamba. Tunaambiwa hii ni serikali broad based, sisi tunakataa. Tunangoja nini? Tunangoja tuunde serikali yetu lini? Si kwanza tunachukua ile
Mwanjo muregereria na araji na kwariganirite ase Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere ditikirira Jumatana senchira yo wenye korende chikoraga Chinsa ikomi nchikoira na aga SMS Ekeonga ngoretera yo mna yande asenchira yo wenye njenga 3 Nyaboga Wilson Makori korwa sensembere manyerero Wilfred Matunda na korwa transmission aberega koneke buna chibichechiga na Mario Gingo ikirachire asenchira yo gwikira ntumura na Chinsa ikomi korende twagusabire onyara kubwacha na gochengere mirobiri ya Getembe TV ase ikagitare getambe DJ Reels ngochari me studio akoretere umurobiro vibes on vibes. Bye bye tomurandi chweka Chinsa chiko.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigiria mabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale yuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiria amabati yiga ntobwate time tembo abo bagokolembere mu ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibere na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green ubutambe gwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakiranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo irangene angene duka ya Safaricom. Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga. Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
HK International Medical Center ni nyegitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo yugo tumeka chimashini chinkongo asukumureka amarwire ao nago